Another busy Strasbourg week, as always when the full Parliament is meeting. You'll hear from my voice that I'm full of a cold. I'm glad to say that I've been hearing lots of strong voices from Wales this week lobbying me on the future of the common fisheries policy. People feel very strongly that we need a policy that's not only going to support our fishermen and our fishing industries, but also ensure that what we do is sustainable. I know people feel strongly about the discards, about the number of fish that are thrown back in the sea. Well, if Parliament has its way, and in our vote this morning, we voted to end that, to end overfishing. And so now it's over to the ministers to meet, and hopefully they will agree with us that we need a radical change of direction. So thanks to all of you from Wales who've lobbied me about this. It does make a difference. And tomorrow, of course, we're hoping there'll be another big decision which will make a difference too. The next European Summit starts tomorrow. It's on tomorrow and on Friday. And the main item on the agenda, again, is the EU budget. It's so important to us in Wales. We need to protect the funding that we get, not only the regional funding, but the agricultural funding, the funding for our universities, our students, the money we need to help build our economy for the future. So I'll be following those events very closely, and I do hope that by next week we will have a decision that will enable us to build our economy, to create more jobs, and to look forward to Wales playing a fuller part in the European Union in the future.